What's up, food lovers? So, I'm Tony Tuton, and welcome to the show. Today, I have an awesome recipe for you. But first, we gotta go get a fillet knife. You know what that means? We're cooking fish. So, let's go to the grocery store, and I'm gonna find me a fillet knife. All right, let's go. So here we go, guys. All the layout. We got onion, we got lemon, we got parsley, and slap your mama seasoning, that Cajun seasoning. And we got foil. So what we're gonna do is, I showed you how to clean it, and then we're gonna prep it. Now we're gonna throw it on the grill. So let's go. See that, guys? Beautiful. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna season it. Actually, first we're gonna cut 3 slices. Then seasoning, slap your mama. Flip it over. Just like that. All up in there. Looks good. Then, got foil. We got onion. Lemon. Throw some on the bottom. Just like that, guys. Then parsley, we're just gonna stuff it in the belly. Just like that. After that, we're gonna roll it up. Then another foil. So here you go, guys. The finished product. I just got a little slice right there. First, we want to do, add some lemon. Bring that zest out. Super delicious, super delicious. Here we got a fork. Taste test. See that? Here we go. Hot. The goodness of the fish, the zest, and that slap your mama Cajun seasoning is so good. Simple, easy, and delicious, guys. 15 minutes on each side is all you need for this big fish. So fish cooks really fast. You don't want to overcook it, or it will burn or get dry. So that's it. That is delicious, guys. Red snapper on the grill with foil. Ooh, so good. So I'm gonna finish here, and I'm gonna clean up. So if you like the video, and if you like my recipe, please consider subscribing and smash the like button for me, alright? Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.